And we're back to CapCut. And let me show you another stroke effect, but this time we want to preserve the background. There's an option in CapCut that we can use. Just make sure your clip is selected in the timeline. Then go to video, and by the way I use the default layout. Go to video and then you should find the cutout here. Use the auto cutout function. It's going to get processed. I've already done that, so it's quicker for me, but it might take a minute or something depending on the clip length. And then you have this stroke drop down. Some options are pro, so you have to have the paid version, but here are also free ones. Just pick one that you like. Here's for example an offset, and here is a dotted stroke or a dashed stroke. You can see this works. It correctly identified the person, created an outline, added the stroke. To keep the background that we had in the original, just drag this clip onto the top video channel and then place the original below. And there you go. We now have the stroke and the original background. So this also works in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.